then my name is Shreya and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and much more. I know that all of you guys have been waiting and waiting for this video because it's been a long, tiring, wholesome weekends and I seriously didn't get time to shoot it. And today is Holi, so probably happy Holi to all of you who are celebrating. So without any further ado, let's move on with today's video. So this is my 1500 giveaway contest. Now once I reach 1500 family members, I will be announcing the winners. So without wasting any time, let's move on to the gifts. So there will be I've kept like one lucky winner of the random lucky draw contest winner, and the rest I am still thinking whether I should do 2 mystery bag winner or 1 mystery bag winner. You guys decide. Let me know in the comment section down below. So right now I'm just showing you the winners ka gifts. The mystery bag winners will also be getting similar products, so don't worry on that part. And let me know that how many mystery bag winners do you want. Mystery bag winners actually wholesomely depends on you guys, how much you guys appreciate, how much you guys put in effort, how much I see you guys more often on my channel. So mystery bag winners are those who are always there on my channel, there in my Instagram, like wherever I can find them and whenever I can find them. So let's just quickly show you guys the products of the winners. Whoever will be the winner will be getting this. So first let me just begin with a face sheet mask. So this is from the Face Shop. As you guys can see, it's all sealed. I'm not opening it, but this one is in the Blueberry Real Nature, and yeah, so use this one and get clear, beautiful looking skin. So I guess that all of you are aware of using face mask. Now why I chose Blueberry is that since the summer season is coming, since a lot of pollution you will be getting close to, so I thought that why not give you guys some fruit facial mask. So blueberry is one of the beautiful fruits you will ever come across. It has got really great importance and value. Even if you have blueberry, your immunity system, your body will rejuvenate. Even if you use it on your face, it is also a good skincare routine. So next I have another hair. So this is a hairband. Now I love the print, I love the color, it's so summery, it's so floral, and I loved it. So I hope that you guys will be loving it as well. So next I have concealer. So remember that I had ordered it from Amazon, if you guys had seen my Amazon haul. So this one is Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer, and this I don't know which shade number is this, but I'll mention the shade and all everything in the description box down below. But this is quite a basic shade. I think that each one of you, like, it's a basic shade. It should suit any of you. So there's no gender bias or there's no color biasness in this. So this is the third product. Now the next product is from Natural Vibes Tea Tree Face Wash. Now this one reduces acne, blemishes and purifies your skin. So I'm just quickly opening it and showing it to you guys. I haven't, the pump is all sealed. So this is how the face wash looks like. I hope that you guys are aware of the brand called the Natural Vibes. It's really good. It's trending right now and people are using it, and it's absolutely great. I think that they make products with like chemical free and paraben free. It's all natural products and natural ingredients used in it. So yes, you will be getting a full size bottle of this. I'll just quickly tell, this is of 150 ml and the MRP is somewhere around 500 rupees. So you get a wholesome huge bottle of face wash, that too of tea tree, which is great. So next I have got a shampoo. Now this one is from Biotech, Bio Green Apple Fresh Daily Purifying Shampoo. So I'm not opening it, it's all sealed and everything. So I do hope that you guys make use of this, and I am giving it a travel size so that if you're traveling, you can carry it anywhere in your pouch or bag. Coming up is this, it's a lip balm, Mega Slicks lip balm. Balm Stain, and it's from Wet n Wild. It's moisturizing lip color. The shade is See If I Carrot. So it's a beautiful color. I just ruined it a bit with my nails. So I hope that you guys don't mind it, because it's not used and just my nail got stuck in it. So I hope that you guys will be loving this one. Next I have a lipstick. So remember in my previous Nykaa haul I had mentioned that I had been ordering things for you guys. So this one is the special matte lip color from Blue Heaven, and the shade number is 07. It's beautiful pink shade. It's a beautiful pink shade. So you guys will be loving this one as well. Next we have an eyeshadow palette. So this one is from Revolution Pro. This one is the face is burned, so it has got a really copperish, and it has got a neutral shade, it has got 2 shimmer shades, and it has got matte shades, copper shades, red and golden and brownish. Very good. I found it appropriate enough for any wedding functions, any day functions, any lunch, brunch, whatever you guys feel like. You can use this one and you're good to go and you're sorted. So this is the eyeshadow palette from Revolution Pro, which the winner will be getting. Next we have some creams. So this one is Coconut Skin Smooth Priming Moisturizer. So this is how it looks like. Next I have also given kind of a face elixir oil, the oils which you guys see on Nykaa and everything. So this one is completely herbalicious. It's of grapeseed and juniper berry extract. So this is how it looks like. I hope that you guys will find it exciting enough. So next we have another Supreme Multi Correction Cream. So this I think that you apply before doing your makeup. So yes, these are all the products that the winner will be getting, and whoever the mystery bag winner will be getting similar products. And let me know in the comment section down below as to which products were your favorite, what are you looking up to, like anything. I will be eager to read your guys' comments. So the rules, coming to the rules are pretty simple, as they were simple in my previous giveaway videos. You have to be a subscriber to my channel, of course, and the rest of the rules will be mentioned in the description box down below. So please don't forget to check that out, and please don't forget to read it very carefully. It's very simple, but you got to read it very carefully. So I'm just looking forward to all of you guys' participation, keeping my finger crossed so that we reach such milestones together and celebrate with each other. That was it for today's video, guys. I do really hope that you guys will be happy to participate in this giveaway, and you guys will be sharing it as much as you can. And I can promise you that the more and more our family grows, the more bigger and most exciting giveaways will be coming up on my channel, and more exciting new content will be coming up on my channel. So please stay tuned for all those things. Till then, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.